you, James. Thank you so much. So next chance is for Mr. Mahesh.
Thank you very much, Tarushi. Sorry, I forgot your name. Extremely sorry. Thank you, Tarushi. And yes, my name is Mahesh Veeratunga. I'm representing the company called Solution City Private Limited. Solution City Private Limited, one of the leading ELV engineering and consultancy company. ELV, extra low voltage engineering and consultancy. If we take about the product portfolio, we are specializing into access controlling solutions, structured cabling, communication solutions like long range antennas, the PABX solutions. Then we talk about the alarming, the burglar alarming and the fire alarming solutions. Which means the fire detection and the protection, CCTVs, and all sort of security and the other related services. So why you all have to recommend me for your projects? We are not a new company. We have been there in the industry for last 10 years, and we are catering for both private sector as well as the government sector tenders as well. And we have done the major projects in Sri Lanka, including, apartments and the manufacturing sector. And we are catering through the construction companies, architectures, and the security and safety consultants in the industry, especially when it comes to the private sector. So we are pretty strong in the financial sector when it comes to the security and safety. So that is the reason actually you all can recommend me for your clients to sell my products. So thank you very much. My name is Mahesh Veeratunga, once again from Solution City Private Limited. Solution City Private Limited. Thank you very much. Thank you, Tarshi. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mahesh. Next, it's Mr. Nishan.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Hope you all can hear me.
Yes, we can hear
you. Usual place today. Yes. I'm Nishan Babanuarachi, representing Taito Technologies Private Limited. Actually, we have two main areas under Taito Technologies. As usual, directly under technologies, we promote power backup solutions, mainly designed for domestic applications as well as small scale industrial applications such as offices and other like communication centers, or all type of mini offices or office users like. So with our backup solutions, you will never run the risk of having power cuts, because it equally generates the same power which you get from Ceylon electricity board. So you can run all your equipment, like domestic as well as office equipment, with our backup solutions. We have the systems starting from 48,000 onwards. Right. So moving on to the academic arm of our organization, we have recently launched innovation management coaching programs, specially designed for organizations and individuals and groups. So those who are especially into training and consultancy, and those who are conducting workshops, especially like KDC. So I kindly invite them to join with me or outsource my programs, since mine is a very specialized area, not commonly found in the market. Thank you very much, and wish everyone in the BMP team all the best.
Thank you very much, Mr. Nishan. So next it's Rusira.
Thank you, Tarshi. Hi once again to everyone. I am the Relationship and Business Expansion Manager for BNP. So basically your main point of contact, if there's anything that you need within BNP, or you want to get in contact with any of the members, please do contact me. My number, I'll put it up on the chat box. Yeah, I think that's it for me, and thank you so much, Tarshi.
Thank you, Rusira. Next, Sudhakar.
Good evening, BNB members. This is Sudharan from BISAC Private Limited. We are in the digitalized solutions Actually, what we are doing is, who are the people doing a manual process, we are converting them to a digitalize. So it can be accounting, it can be a payroll, it can be any day-to-day activities. So we have our own team to develop a customized software for according to their requirement. And normally it's come with the mobile app and the other applications, whatever we want it, and we have some BI tools to get a proper digitalization output for them. So this is Udaharan from BizSec Private Limited, digitalizing solutions. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sudhakaran. Next, it's Tivanka. Hi, Tivanka.
Hi,
Hello.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Tivanka Rajpaksha from iCatch. Ivan Meissner has said, to achieve world-class goals, you need to have world-class team. So he said that, but I'm saying, for you to have a world-class business, you need a world-class website. Thank you very much, Tivanka from iCatch.
Thank you so much, Tivanka.
Sorry, just a quick input, Tivanka. That was excellent. Very catchy.
Right. Thanks.
Superb, Tivanka, superb.
Thank you, Tivanka. So next, I would like to give the chance to our visitor, Sabrina. I think I spell it correctly. Her name.
Yes, thank you, Tarushi. Hi. So I'm Sabrina, representing Envoy Authors. Actually, what we do is we are into human resource outsourcing, and well, we have recruitment process outsourcing, payroll outsourcing, as well as staff outsourcing. So our aim is actually to give you better quality service, as well as take the burden, the administrative burden away from you, so that you can focus on your main business. So we don't limit ourselves only to recruitment, payroll, and outsourcing. We have extended services, like we go to the extent of doing your referencing, reference checks as well. As well as we have a database of more than 3,000 candidates with us. So we can assure you, once if you have vacancies that come up, or you want us to take control of your recruitment process, we can assure you that we can give you quality as well as quality candidates and a good service for you. Thank you.
Thank you, Sabrina. Thank you so much. So next, I think the next one is Mr. Saddat is recently joined, right? Hi, Saddat, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, you can continue. Over to you, Saddat.
All right. Good evening, everybody. I represent Christian Partners. We are into cloud-based project management, job costing, and also cloud-based accounting. And at the moment, we are trying to expand our business. So we need BNP support very much. And in time to come, also we will be able to introduce new services, cloud-based, even hardware or platform services also, because at the moment we are talking with AWS also, Amazon Cloud, because now the trend is basically currently people are moving into cloud because people don't invest on IT infrastructure anymore. And with the cloud platform, you get all the applications and also the hardware. So there are a lot of opportunities for the startup companies to have their website and also have their accounting plus operational records in the cloud. So thank you for the time given to me. And I wish everybody best of luck in their future endeavors. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Sadatis sir. So before going to the weekly presentation, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Tarushi Nimantika. I'm representing KDC Academy of Management here at BNP. So we are specialized into corporate trainings. We do corporate trainings in like in-house trainings, online as well as public trainings. So we are having some online trainings in this weekend as well. So I will be sharing the details in the WhatsApp group. So if you are interested, anyone here or any employee from your company, you can send us for the training. And also I would like to tell you all that if you have any corporate training requirement, please contact me. So I would be able to give you the best corporate training to your employees. Thank you so much. So I'm Tarushi representing KDC Academy of Management here at BNP team.